If you have set a time limit for an application in your iPhone, and if you want to delete the time limit, then let us see how to do it. If you see on the screen the Facebook application, it is dimmed and there is a small hourglass icon on the left side of the Facebook. So this means that currently I have applied time limit for this Facebook application. So if I have to delete it, I have to go to settings, I have to go to screen time, then I have to tap on the option at the top, go to Facebook, and then tap on Facebook. I need to enter the passcode, and then I can select delete limit, select delete limit again. So this is how you will remove the screen time limit for an application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest videos for free.